Hey everyone, Stephanie here from Impact Radio. I'm just making a quick couple videos to show off some new web functionality that we've developed to make it easier than ever for our dealers to order online. So we'll start here on the homepage of the website. Once you're logged into your dealer account, which I already am, you'll see two new quick links at the top. There's a My Favorites section, which I'll jump into in a separate video, and then there's Quick Order. So we're going to start with the Quick Order functionality. We'll click on that and it takes us to this new page. So ultimately the reasoning behind the quick order functionality is we obviously know that our dealers are well versed in our products and know exactly what it is that they're looking for when they come to the website. So this just makes it a lot easier for them to order. So if we know that our SKU is going to be an M1 PRSM HD9, you'll notice that in the past on the website, we haven't been able to search by connector type. When you added that part of the SKU, it didn't show any products. It will now. So you can include the connector type in your SKU when you're searching. So I'm going to go down and select the HD9, and then we can see the product pop up here. So we'll see the product. It'll give us our MSRP price, my dealer price as a tier 1 dealer. Actually, the pricing will change when I click a connector. So when we select a connector, we'll see all the connector types here. The number beside the connector type in brackets is actually what we have in stock. So you'll know right away if we have the exact product that you need. So if you needed 50 M1 Motorola's, we have it in stock and ready to ship. Just like anything with Impact, if we have, let's say, only 10 of the BK1s, but you need 15, you can certainly place that order, but just know that it will be on back order, and you can have that conversation with your account manager. For this purpose, so I'm going to choose the M1, so we can see that the MSRP and the dealer price updates accordingly, and I'll enter quantity of 10. One thing that I will say is obviously our tier pricing does change per quantities. So with speaker mics, once I jump up to say 25, I'll get the next tier of pricing. So if I entered 25 here, unfortunately the price won't change here, but when I proceed to cart, I will see the difference in the price. I'll get the tier 2 pricing. So that's adding one product to quick order. You can add as many as you'd like. Let's say I also want some listen onlys for my speaker mics. Those will pop up. And again, we'll just hit the drop down and select the attributes: cable length, jack size, and a jack mold. All of those, our MSRP and our dealer price will pop up. And again, we'll order 25 of them. So just like that, we can add as many products as we want through this quick order functionality, and then we can proceed to cart, at which point it'll take us to the checkout functionality, which is the same as always. If you have any questions regarding the functionality, please reach out to your account manager, and we hope you like it. Thank you.